GramGreene.
Oi, it is your boy, GramGreene, and we are back with another GramGreene GramCam Extended Edit, and this time it is Ever After Day 2 Recap. Before moving forward, my name is GramGreene. I'm a videographer, vlogger, DJ, and aspiring producer who has been bringing you the most lit and epic content from the underground rhythm and dubstep scene. I've been doing it since 2015, and since then, I have taken up my own journey going into this crazy world of DJ and producing, and I'm bringing you guys along for the ride. Welcome back, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the previous upload of my Papa Shiverz playing at Ever After. It's one of my favorite videos to have edited in a very long time, and just brings so much joy to my heart seeing not only that I accomplished the goal that I set out back in January to go to Ever After and capture footage for him, but also just to, you know, immerse myself in such a beautiful festival and let myself go and have a good time with the people who support me, my homies, and yeah, the music. It's just so therapeutic and amazing. I love it. Disclaimer. Letting everyone know now, before you get into the video, that this does not have a lot of set footage. There's some people out there that are like, oh, we don't like the vlogs and whatnot. So, just letting you know, if you want to skip around the video, you're not going to see too much set footage. Just wait till the next upload of Shiverz and Mastadon. This is more or less just my journey throughout the festival. If you guys aren't interested, I really don't fucking care. I know there's people out there who are. So, check it out. I think you guys will enjoy this, honestly. This is me after Jermaine's performance, just going through. We got some clips of Hesh playing, some clips of Mastadon. We got some clips of the legend Festival Finesser. Yes, we meet up with him and everything like that. And yeah, just random moments that happen throughout the festival. I'll be giving commentary like I did last time, so you guys get a better idea of what was going through my mind, what was happening at the festival itself. And yeah, this was a great day for me. Started off with Shiverz, my favorite, my mentor, my idol, and ended it with another one of my favorites and idols, Green Velvet. Completely different genre of music, but I loved every single moment of it. It was, I think, for me, Ever After did a great job combining the rhythm and the techno and house. And I hope more festivals do that in the future. So without any further ado, let's get into this edit. I hope you guys really enjoy. And don't forget to do that thing, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you very soon. Gee! Ever After had this little cool installment where you could walk in and it'll be like a cool down station where they had like air conditioners and fans, and they would offer deodorant and whatnot. Go in it. So yeah, I went in to experience it myself, and it was nice and cool. Definitely was. I like this. I like when festivals do like small free plays. Adds a little flair to it, you know. Yep. Oh. Yeah. That's nice. It was very nice. Ever After 2019. This is actually, hey, what's up, bro? Grand fam, yay! Really happy to meet you guys as always. Oh, I had stickers, so I gave them to the homies. This was actually during Jermaine's set. I forgot to put it in the previous video, but I wanted to put it in because, you know, just interacting with the fans, my family. This is what I do this for. I do this for you guys. So whenever you see me, please don't hesitate to come say hi and talk to me for a little bit. I'm always down to talk to everyone. Look at that. I just kept running into fucking homies. Like, the Gram family was so in it at Ever After. Thank you guys so much. Oh my god.
I'm a big fan of you. Hell yeah, I appreciate it. I'm a big fan of you, man.
I really am a big fan of all my friends. I only want the best for all the Gram family.
What's up, bro? How are you? Good, man? I'm good. My guy.
That makes me so happy. Here we are, back in the stage. We got Ominous, we got Hesh. Hesh is about to play right now. We're just chilling, bulling out, you know, doing our thing like a chicken wing. Code Pandorum, shout out. First time I met him. Genuine human being. Love him. Hesh boy, my nephew. So proud to see him playing in front of such a huge crowd. He's just been killing it. Just like, oh god, tour after tour after tour. This guy is just climbing to the top.
GramGreene. GramGreene. How are you, bro?
I'm pretty good, you?
I'm good. I'm good.
Shout out.
Shiverz
Once again.
killed it. Killed it. That's so good. So good. How are you, man? You good?
We saw you live 2 or 3 times.
Oh, hell yeah, bro.
What the fuck?
Thank you, man.
That's crazy, man.
Yeah,
Still
fuck yeah,
blows
you
my
bring it
mind.
back.
People see me
Montreal.
live.
Yeah.
I love Montreal.
Yeah.
That's my place.
Every DJ love, man.
Oh, that's my home.
It literally is. I love that place. Montreal's the best.
Festival Vanessa. That's who we're
Randomly run into Shiverz in the crowd.
on the other side.
Classic.
this side.
Yeah, we were looking for the Festival Finesser, and I think we were gonna smoke.
No, it's in the middle. Corner.
Cornered.
Y'all still winning?
GramGreene, can I get a year?
Hey, so this is the start of the Mastadon set. Yes, massive set. The fucking legend. This kid's from Australia, killing it already. Doing a tour. Hopefully, I'll catch him again at Electric Zoo at the end of the summer. We're gonna be super happy. Love this song. Shout out Ayonic.
We can move and groove to the baseline. Move like she ain't got no waistline. Rush, yeah.
So good.
We're out here with GramGreene. Yeah.
Hey, shout out Festival
We're out here
Finesser.
with the Mosh Queen.
My boy and the Mosh Queen.
Out here with Shiverz.
Ryan, Bree, everyone. Hey, shout out homie. Yo, it's just amazing to meet people who have come to my shows previously. Like, it's fucking wild. Like, thank you guys. Ah! I think we're trying to make our way into the photo pit area at the moment. Yes. They only gave people with the media pass 10 minutes in the photo pit area. Hey, shout out homie. which I felt like was a little like weird. They should have probably like scheduled everyone with the media pass at different times, or have given us more time to do it, because it's just like counterproductive if we all have the same content, you know? It's okay. Mega shout out to the people at Ever After who provided me, Brian the Festival Finesser, and the homie Emma to come in and do our little vlog thing. It was kind of really interesting to see us just like doing our own little, you know, whatever the fuck it was with our vlogs, and they gave us the opportunity to really like just, you know, do our thing. Much love, Ever After. It was the first festival to like invite vloggers like that, so I hope more festivals do that, because I think it's important. You know, a lot of homies come out to see us, to meet us and whatnot, and it brings them into the video, the edit afterwards, and I feel like all that stuff. Shout out this guy who gave me a joint. I appreciate it.
Put you in a casket.
Oh, look, it's Shiverz and Ulasile walking down the photo pit area. Very wholesome moment. Let's go! Chi! You know the GramGreene Chi call. If you hear Chi, it's GramGreene. So we're just like walking out of the photo pit area at the moment. I think they kind of kicked us out. I think so. I don't know. To be honest, like, there was a lot happening. I was really high, so I just walked out, honestly. Hey, shout out, homie. Yes. Thanks to everyone who came up to me and said hi. Like, you guys are amazing. Fucking love you.
Imagine being arrested and walking out to dubstep like that. I need to do that.
Being arrested and walking out to dubstep like that. He needs to do that. This next section is near and dear to my heart. Like I said before, one of the main reasons that I was really excited about Ever After is because they were combining the underground dubstep and rhythm world with the underground techno and house world, and Saturday was my day because it was Jermaine, and then it was Hesh, and then it was Mastadon, and then it was going to be Chris Lake and Green Velvet. So over here we have a couple clips of me at Chris Lake and Green Velvet. I was there for literally 3 hours. 3 hours. Like, so many people came and went, and I was in the same spot. Got to bull out with my boy Cooper Ulasile, who is a mega fan of Chris Lake as well. So we were just having a good old time, as you see in the clip. And yeah, like I said before, definitely 2 of my favorite sets of the whole weekend. It was therapeutic, to say the least. Afterwards, I felt so free. So, big shout outs to Chris Lake and Green Velvet for providing this for me, letting me experience the other love of music that I have. And yeah, so enjoy these clips.
It's about to be bananas. It's about to be bananas. Oh, God.
What you talking about?
Yeah, so sorry I didn't get too many clips of that. I was having way too much fun dancing my life away. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's Ever After recap day 2. Hope you guys enjoyed getting a little bit of more information about the day, what I went through, and everything like that. Day 2 was just an amazing experience. And right afterwards, we went to see Shiverz go back-to-back with Mastadon. World premiere, exclusive, here on my channel, GramGreene, GramCam. We got it. So that's going to be next. So keep it locked for that. And yeah, thank you guys for sticking it through this video. And I love you all. And I'll see you very soon. And, you know, chi?
GramGreene.